Hello, my name's Quentin Brown from Web Marketing for Profit, and I want to introduce you to our new package we've just released on our WMFPstick.com website, and it's called Photoshop Resources. And it's only $37 AUD, Australian dollars. And basically what it does is we've gone around and collected a whole range of PSD and ATN files, which is what you use with Photoshop. Now lots of people have got Photoshop, but they're very scared of it. It's very complicated. If you watch a graphic artist do something, they put 100 little moves in and you'll never be able to follow them because they're professional graphic artists. However, I've been an internet marketer now for 20 years. I'm no graphic artist, so I'm going to show you the quick way to make your own graphics for your organization, your business, etc. And you can use these graphics in brochures, on your website, in social media, etc. Now, we also have done a lot of training of young disadvantaged people in Australia, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, the Philippines. And so we had to dumb it right down for them because they had never used Photoshop, and quite often they didn't have a new version, they had quite old versions. But as long as your version of Photoshop has layers, you'll be able to use probably 90% of this package. So let's have a quick look at it. It comes on a USB because it's just a lot to download, and then you can access it whenever you want. And the first thing you'll notice up the top here is the start here. If you click on that, it should start this tutorial. And this has about 10 videos just going through all the little bits of Photoshop that you need. You don't need to learn the whole lot. It's very much like word processing. As long as you learn how to type and format a little bit, you're probably not going to use the other 80%. And Photoshop's exactly the same. All you need to do is learn how to move layers around, pick layers out of one thing and move them onto another. Then learn how to resize and just a couple of other little bits and pieces. Now, I've been an internet marketer for over 20 years now. We've been building websites and teaching businesses how to use graphics for over 20 years. So we've got a lot of resources for you. Let's go and have a look at it now. And in here you'll see we've broken them up. We have all sorts of designs, ATN files, which you can watch another video. These automate a whole lot of processes. So if you want to make an ebook or a box or something like that, you basically just make a flat file, click on the run, and it will create the box for you and do all the little bits and pieces. We have a bit of slicing here and a whole bunch of other stuff. Now obviously if you're a business, you're going to want some of these business cards. And here you have a whole range of different business cards and layouts. I'm going to use this corporate business card. I want the yellow one, and here's the front. Now here's a business card, so it's all ready to go. You could just click on the text and change this. It's going to change the text because I haven't got that particular one, and I'll put my name in there, Quentin and Brown. I can make it bold. And so I could go through and just change all that. Now over here is our layers. And as we said before, if you've looked at any of our other tutorials, all these layers can be turned on or off by clicking the little eye. And by clicking on the actual layer, or just highlighting it with the text tool, you can go through and change it, and it's going to change it to a font that we have. You can then go up here and choose your own font. And so that's all there is to it. Now the beauty of using Photoshop is now I can actually move these layers around. These two files here, I just clicked on the top one and then held on my shift to choose the next one, and I'm just going to move them here, but I need to move them up above the shape. So I've just held my left mouse button and dragged it up, and so now I've got it here. I might change these. I might change this and make it black. So there we are. Now I've got this space up here, so I've uploaded a graphic. I'm going to Control A with my keyboard, then Control C to copy. And then I will go here and go Control V. Then I'm just going to drag it up. Just so happened that my logo was virtually the same color. And there we have it. Now I could just move all these down a bit and put that back over here if I wanted. I could put these down. I can change all these shapes. So the shape, if I want to change the color, I can. If I want to get rid of anything, I can. So everything in the business card can be adjusted. So there's quite a nice card. I could probably even make my name just a little bit bigger so it stood out some more. Let's say make it 14. No, too big. 12. Make graphic design a bit bigger. We'll change the font. I'll make that 10. Maybe 8, 9. And maybe move it down a little bit. So there we have it. I've created a great card. If I want to now, I will save as, and I would make that my business card. Put it in the same place. FP business card, and save, and now we can come back anytime and adjust this file. So if I close that now, and I'll close these, and I'll go File, Open. Here's the file here that I just made. As you can see, I've still got all the files in there, and I can go through and do anything I like. So that's how you can have a whole range of different business cards. In our tutorials, we'll show you where you can get hundreds more as well. But these all just come ready packed on the USB for you. So my name's Quentin Brown, thanking you for watching this short tutorial on how to create a business card with Photoshop.